make my life go on. Forget the memories that we once had. I've tried to hide my tears and learn to face my fears. Accept that you're no longer here with me. I walked 1,000 miles to leave the pain and pass the test of time. But again, the pain remains persistently again and again. Just like the pouring rain, oh, again and again and again. Persistent rain keeps coming back again. If I can turn back the hands of time, I'll do my best and hold you tight. Every moment spent I cherish till the end, 'cause you're the only one that comforts me. I've walked 1,000 miles to leave the pain and pass the test of time. But again, the pain remains persistently again and again. Just like the pouring rain, oh, again and again and again. Persistent rain keeps coming back again. And if our paths should cross again, maybe then I'll be a friend. But deep inside I cry, pretending I'm alright, 'cause I'm moving on, but still I'm holding on. I walked 1,000 miles to leave the pain and pass the test of time.